Utie Oha Echi Ponkno. Needs FM.
Statement of poll no. Yebe timikra yebe fail the first part no. Ansa na yebie enoma so kra se ye ba be den yaba beto. Ye tu wie a yebe fail the second part no awie ansampo na yaba be kan. Ye kan wie a na ya fail the third and final part no. Does that process a kire yen ballot papers dodo a ye de aba ho ana?
But they make on the pink sheet, you are supposed to record total ballots issued to the polling station. And that should reflect ballot statistics are easy at the AMA political parties, Fair polling station way, but the ballots do see now. But we share statement of full pink sheet for SDA primary trial one. Ballot statistics now easy the AMA non political parties, including MPP in a Yikita dinner. A transfer of 60 ballot papers spend across our polling station or 60. But the actual pink sheet is going to say 468. Nipa wasn't get but they need to come over 49 because the more we registered for 49. But Nipa to as recorded on the face of the pink sheet, 466. So where did they get the ballot papers of more than 400?
Exactly. So the
voters of more than 400 to come.
So the suggestion is say figure 49 more reconcile with the names of eligible voters our polling station hall.
Yes, on the polling station voter register. And he has to reconcile it because the register no find wrong. I know because I say, oh, register now is the no you're wrong. I'm okay. Because
EC tells us to say on average, we should have 750 persons in a polling station.
Yes, on average, that's a higher kind of benchmark. It is about 700, but your polling stations are about 80. It be 60, it be 40. You know why? Because polling station do as they say, one you say a school. Polling stations are 1.4, and only a friend a cluster.
A cluster of them.
It's your SDA primary, one, you want 2. 3 near there. In our one location. In the area voter registration, all the area 3 spaces. In the BFS space, in the amount of go to the Mudia. Aviana is 2 and a phase 1. So, Nipa do why it's man temu hono. Eba ko twere wudi won tu ko fa 2 register both of models. Obe ko fa the second phase na both of models because your registration na first and second phase na nipa ye pa. Enti the last phase police stations omo your last phase no. Omo numbers e be quite 30. Because last phase of registration ni aye wie nipa be bra twere wudi dada. So where the police station is a cluster, Amantemu police station is here 4 and a 1 school. Nipa baby can't show and that is why you can get low numbers. So Obi argument, oh, register now is the man mono and a wrong. Now the EC had the correct one. It's okay. If the EC had the correct one, then it should have reflected in the ballot statistics. And that the ballot papers no more for as recorded on the ballot statistics form should have reflected 468. Why is it that even in the ballot statistics, so they have 49?
And the
same register we had was what the EC had. And then the Nipa 400 and something got to about.
I don't know, Yebusa say, not only say Nipa 400 and something got to about no, Ubusa was say, Nipa 49 a year registered in the register. Now, ye issue material covering 60 persons when in fact it should have been 61 krana. Yes, sir. NDC enya 159 our polling station nipa 49 and I register. What do we make of it?
Okay, so that is a parliamentary 159 against 202. A gap of I think about 48.
So, and your presidential, no, Munya 159.
No. The presidential, the presidential, the gap is about 138 in favor of Akufo-Addo. So in an election where the winner is supposed to win 50 plus 1, it is a pardon. See, I'm not President Mahama 100. Near more man pay you for 500. Who to be in say my President Mahama 100, you know, and you because you're my President Mahama 100, no, you're my opponent 500. So the next effect is that the opponent not benefited 400 more.
It is yet dia na enipa 49 and there was a tuaba. The nipa 49 was a tuaba no. Yama nipa over 400 akoto aba ewo ho amomu nyina na yenya eye
you know o man penye kukwado BC John Mahama 138 votes. What say John Mahama nya bi you know mamon kasa. What are you talking about?
It asema da one say you are saying say particular polling station register mu nipa 49 din ewom but say the ECC ye na ade no or the booklet
has another register say boy.
It is or the booklet
publish that register
or the booklet of 50 plus 10 making it 60 and or they call ye and technically the 5% ni adwuma I was saying Kenya 51 ballot papers
51 no kwana I can to me because 51 worst case scenario say obi aba beto aba na omo beto aba no 5% of ballot papers no out of the 49 no e be say nti e was say one more. Not massive. Because the 5% requirement is a buffer. Let's even assume that was what happened.
Me restate no in such a way say yen yebeti ase na wo watimi a comment ama your response no. Sieti ase ye register at the enipa saying 49 and ya record a particular polling station ho. And yede ballot papers so eba no statement of poll no indicate say a nipa 49 and a two about ho but ya two ya kwa kan ye no afi ya record over 400 voters our particular polling station no dia wo kan no.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Na no and akoiba say ya kwa wi acha ama mu mienu ama mokura mu nya 159 out of 49
for parliamentary.
For parliamentary, no.
Presidential, no man, Penya Kupadu 300 and something.
And I'm saying,
I do read a gap now. It's 138. I will send you that sheet as well.
Okay. Anyway, and then also you dance here for overvoting, you know. So,
exactly.
Okay. You're trapping near the but now several instances were. You need a Sami Jamfi, Esquire, or your National Communications Officer of the National Democratic Congress, and your person, your boy, your huano. Ete and some no a share womobo as woman to menkano o chiremu ame yenye ya honti ase ne nyina ya hunu ne semno epoma esibre yankọ de etoso miensa no se eye BVD machines no devices no each time I yede be verify obi I was say I record to na yeba aba be kan aba no a I was yetimi a press ehunu a printout of a nipado dua a polling station ha yedi BVD machine and a device no yedi a verify one more na yetimi a reconcile with entry yeah na no and I must say a DNS
over 10,000 out of the 38,000 polling stations are yet to allow over 10,000 polling stations pink sheet yen trade the hours so say nipa baako and nipa mienu and go through biometric verification and on motuaba. There is no such record or entry on the faces of over 10,000 sheets. So you cannot even know nipa the biometric motuaba and now more man fancy. So you cannot know whether there was impersonation, multiple voting, or overvoting. Overvoting in this case meaning the number of people voting being more than those who were verified there biometrically and manually. Because I want the manual verified persons any biometrically verified persons it should be equal to the total vote cast. But where nipa you verify biometrically it's not stated on the pin sheet. Then how do you even know say the law was followed? And that is law. If you want to Regulation 32, Sub Regulation 4 sub-regulation 5 and sub-regulation 6 and 7. Then you check the annexes of the the small CI 127. AN Form 8A and 8B. The law says create space more monetary number of persons verified by BVD. It is not there.
But we indicate somewhat an explanation say after Totono, ye de a stamp, see a stamp no Emma.
About the top, I don't want it to be technical. The attorney said, yeah, two about Ghana, that's 2015 I did machine by no verification, no vote. Yeah, finish it now. C6, or you fill it even before counting begins. You write the number of persons verified because all those see if you didn't to be a amount. Nipa dodoa as you didn't verify them. So what trash them. But this time around, pink sheet I had to about Ghana. Baby and you are easily criticised. Young fan record persons verified biometrically, which is against the law. Yet, three of my dream bars or Moniano, incompetent, or would need your mopes or moving to Romania. And no more stamp. Say, Bema, the presiding officer, EC officials, and the stamp necessary. I wish I was in the studio so that I demonstrate by showing you some of the pink sheets where you will see some have been stamped. So you see the stamp on the actual first number of voters verified by DVD. Now, space or now it's your official actually be 400. So what therefore means is that sorry, I was saying it's the official stamp all the 16 pink sheets. The pink sheets in the back booklet 8. It was also stamp 8 of their political parties for parliamentary and presidential. Because stamp pink sheet now, Emma, duplication. So it was all stamp.
It's not a tedious work.
Exactly.
And a
40% of police stations in Ghana, there are no stamps on the face, and there is no record of persons verified biometrically. Either they didn't have the stamps, or they chose not to do it, or because they allow for multiple voting and rigging, they decided not to record the figure because it will expose overvoting.
Okay.
So now that you have not recorded the figure, how do we check whether there was overvoting or not? And bear in mind, in the election petition case, the Supreme Court, all the judges agree that if you want to know what transpired at any police station where you and I were not there, pick the pink sheet. Everything must be on the face of the pink sheet. That is why it's called the statement of food. So if you have not written the person verified biometrically on the face of the pink sheet, you have violated the law. So it renders bad results.
Would ye or ha extra punk no? Needs FM.